reason I came to the Nantwich Clinic was quite simple really. We used to live in Wimbury, and when we lived in Wimbury I had an ingrown toenail on my left big toe because I have very wide nail beds. The consequence of that was that my nails grew down and in, penetrated the skin and became inflamed, and ultimately of course would become infected. So 3 years ago I came to the Nantwich Clinic. Tom was the main proprietor, and he stripped back the nail on the outside, and I believe he treated the nail beds to stop the nail beds from growing again, and that proved to be so successful. Literally within a week it was cured. It was absolutely fabulous. So that was fantastic, and that was the last I thought of it until recently. My right foot big toe started to become ingrowing as bad as the left one was. So even though I've retired now and live in Valencia, my apologies, I decided to fly back to Nantwich to see Tom for him to do a similar procedure on my right foot. Now, the procedure from my point of view is quite simple. I sit in the chair, Tom anaesthetised the foot, cut back the nails, treated the nail beds, put the dressing on, and that was it. And with a few simple procedures afterwards, in terms of post-operative care, should we call it, everything's great. I'm 4 days in from his second procedure. There's no infection, everything's healing nicely. I'm thoroughly happy with what Tom has done. As far as I'm concerned, the alternative was to have the whole nail stripped off, as opposed to coming to the Nantwich Clinic and having a fabulously clever little procedure conducted by Tom, where the nail is taken off the sides, as I said, it's treated. And I would highly recommend it, because you're left with your nail. It looks better than the original nail did anyway. It's quite simple. The procedure itself is absolutely, completely painless. It's quite a relaxing experience.